Riddle 1. What gets wet while drying? Answer: a towel. Riddle 2. You walk into a room that contains a match, a kerosene lamp, a candle, and a fireplace. What would you light first? Answer: the match. Riddle 3. A man dies of old age on his 25th birthday. Monologue. Imagine this. A man dies of old age on his 25th birthday. How is that possible? Well, he was born on February 29th, a leap year. So, technically, he only had a birthday every 4 years. Tricky, right? Life is full of surprises, just like this riddle. Keep your mind sharp and ready for the unexpected. Riddle number 4. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? The answer is a bank. Riddle number 5. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? The answer is darkness. Riddle number 6. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? The answer is your breath. So, next time you come across these riddles, you'll know the answers.
Riddle 7. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? The answer is a shadow. Riddle 8. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? The answer is a chalkboard. Riddle 9. Where does today come before yesterday? The answer is in the dictionary. Riddle 10. You're on a game show faced with a choice between 3 doors. Behind one is a car, and behind the others are goats. After you pick a door, the host reveals a goat behind one of the remaining doors. Now, the crucial question. Do you stick with your initial choice or switch to the other door? Surprisingly, statistics show that switching gives you a higher chance of winning the car. So, in this scenario, always go for the switch and increase your odds of driving home in style.